Lions Clubs International District 322D organized its 14th Annual Region Conference 2020 at Lamyan Besanglen Palace Compound. 38 Lions Clubs of Manipur attended the conference and was organized by Lions Club of Imphal, Imphal Naimarol, Moirang and Imphal Global. Kanglei Park Students Association held a cycle rally this morning starting from Kangla Gate. Many cycle enthusiasts took part in the cycle rally. The rally was organized in promotion of the 9th Kanglei Mega Sports Festival 2020 to be held from March 8th till 13th. Thanga MLA Tongbram Robindra Singh kicked off a 3-day Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat under the Integrated Communication and Outreach Program at Khuman Community Hall of Thanga Island, Bishnupur District yesterday. The function was organized by Field Outreach Bureau, Imphal, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Water pumps and sprinklers were distributed to the beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchaya Yojana 2019-20 at Wangu Mamanglai Kai Community Hall. An awareness training program on micro irrigation was also held. The function was organized by Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Bishnupur.